It's actually not as big as I thought it would be. It's actually kind of hard to choose. Wow. Hey guys, I have a new piece of equipment that I want to unbox, and I've run out of space in the studio, so I'm gonna have to set it up here. And this is it right here. Liene reached out to me to ask me whether or not I wanted to test out their PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. And I said, absolutely, I want to try it out. Because if I can make my own stickers from home in a very quick and easy way, I'm all about that. And if I can do it, I would love to share that with you guys, so you have that option as well. So I'm gonna open it up and unbox it for you guys so we can see what all the hype is about, because I've seen a lot of people test this and love this machine. So I'm just curious to see whether or not all that hype is real. We have some cords, the instructions, photo paper with instructions on how to load that photo paper. And here is the machine itself, which I might need to stand up to do. To unbox and remove, it's really well packaged. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be, so this might be able to fit somewhere in my studio. I will set it up here though for now. The first step is to remove all of this tape. This is to load that photo paper into the machine. It's the photo paper tray. I think the ink cartridge might be in this box. So there is an app that I need to download, and they give you a QR code that you can use to get to that app quickly. So I'm going to do that right now. So here is the app. I'm going to click next. There's some setup stuff that you have to enter. Now I'm going to add the printer, which it should pick up from the Bluetooth that it's emanating right now. So we have the PixCut S1 photo sticker cutter. Now it looks like I can go ahead and print out a sticker. And what I want to print out, since it's June and Pride Month, I want to see if there are any rainbows. It's weird that you can't search. Oh, maybe under nature? Will there be? Oh, here. Okay, we've got some rainbows. And this is exactly what I wanted to do for Pride. So you can see here they have a huge selection of rainbows that we can print and make stickers from, which I absolutely want to do. So let's go and pick out, oh, I love how they have the traditional rainbow, but also some abstract rainbows as well. Some very decorative, stylish, more modern looking rainbows. Really, the world is your oyster. It's actually kind of hard to choose given how much you have here. There's literally every kind of rainbow. I do like the kind of rainbow sticker that has a character, like the clouds have faces on them or something. So, should I do this cloud one or star one? Let's do a sun, this one. So we've added it to our board, and I'm gonna put it there. Let's see if I can just copy it and maybe make it smaller so that we can fit as many of these stickers as possible. So basically I'm just gonna lay out these stickers so that I can print out a bunch all on the same sheet. They're about, yeah, let's try to print out 4, or yeah, let's try to do 8, maybe all in one sheet. So I'm gonna give each sticker plenty of room. Before you send your design to the printer, make sure that it has clearance in the front and enough clearance in the back so that it can do its printing and cutting without getting obstructed. So I'm going to click Make It. Oh, cool. So you can see it shows the outline of each of those stickers. So I'm going to click Cut. I like how it reminds you to insert the right size paper. So it still needs to cut it into stickers. So here are the stickers, and it's just that easy. You've made stickers from home, and you can see that they've actually cut the outline of each shape. So you could really make labels even with this guy if you wanted to. That's an exciting prospect, and you can make a label any shape you want. That is a game changer. Obviously, I see a lot of uses for this machine in my small business, but if you have a scrapbook hobby that you like, or if you like to just craft in general, this machine is amazing. I think the quality of the print is gorgeous. These look like professional stickers. I used their library to find a picture of a rainbow, but you can also upload your own designs. You can use actual images. You can print photos using the photo paper, and you can do all of that from home. That is pretty amazing and super, super cool. You can make any kind of label you want. If you want to label things around your house even, you can do that very quickly and very easily. If you're interested in this machine, there is a link to it down below. I'm very excited for the possibilities that this machine can bring to my business and also to life in general. It'll be a lot of fun to be able to print my photos out all from home. So this machine gets a thumbs up from me. For those of you who are thinking of using this machine to customize your shipping, I'm gonna demo for you guys what that looks like if you upload your own logo to the app to try to print and cut those stickers. So I'm gonna click upload. So this graphic actually has a white background behind it. So technically the image is a square, but there is an AI remove background that I wanna see if it'll actually remove and create the right, oh, it did it. That is incredible. I'm gonna click next. That is so cool. I'm very happy about that. I'm just gonna put this in the corner because I wanna make a bunch of it. Select all, done. I'm gonna copy that. Yeah, you can do really quick batches here. Let's do another multi-select. Select all. Done. Let's copy that. Oh, perfect. See how fast I was able to do all of that? I was really impressed with the print quality of this graphic, but looking at my own design that I've uploaded, I am blown away. I don't know if you can see how amazing this print quality is. Botanical Skincare is written in pretty thin font, and it's pretty fine, and it looks crisp, just incredibly clear. And it did cut around the exact shape of the graphic. So you can really, really, really customize your stickers to be whatever size label that you want. I think that the print quality looks professional. If I were to create labels with this guy, I think it would really elevate my packaging, because not only does this look good, but this is also fade resistant. It's weatherproof and waterproof, so it's not gonna smear, smudge, or peel off. So it is actually a pretty viable solution if you're looking for some high quality looking labels on your products that will last. I definitely will be playing around more with this machine and trying different things when it comes to product labeling. So I decided to do just that. And here you can see me trying to print a label that I made for my lotions. I had sized it right when I designed the label in Illustrator, but when I transferred it into the app, it was a little hard to get it the perfect size. I had to use the guidelines along the sides and the tops of the editor of the app in order to get an idea of whether or not it would fit. But once I did, I was able to send it to the printer and print it out. And the cool thing about watching your labels get printed is seeing the different layers of all the different colors as they print out. And I thought it'd be really cool for you guys to also see the machine actually cutting the stickers into stickers. And I think that that is such a cool feature about this machine, that not only can you print high quality labels, but you can really get a precise cut of your sticker, and it doesn't have to be a generic size like a rectangle or a circle or a square. You can play around with different shapes and sizes. As you can see, it's cutting all the way around the sticker, the shapes that of the graphics that I used for the label, and also the different areas of where the text is. I thought that was really, really cool that I was able to do that. And here is the printed sticker. As you can see, this turned out so good. This font is pretty small, but the machine was able to print it out in very sharp quality. I can read every single word. It's not too tiny, and the colors of the bergamot and the lemon and the eucalyptus sprig that I included in my design are true to the colors that I see on my computer screen, which is really exciting. So when it came to actually peeling the stickers off, it was a little trickier. Obviously, it's not your generic shape, like I said, but I was just a little extra careful in doing that. And if you just take your time and go at it from one side and then the other side to make sure you're not tearing at the sticker, then you should be able to come away with a full sticker like you can see over here. I was a little nervous about whether or not these stickers will actually stick to these plastic jars that I have, but it actually stuck on pretty good. And even laying down these stickers onto the jars, it wasn't that difficult at all. And when I was able to get the entire sticker on, the final look was so beautiful and so unique, and it's something that I think really sets my product apart from other jars of lotions that I've seen. The final product ended up looking so beautiful, and I was very impressed with how it turned out. So I'm excited to try this on more products in the future. If it's only marginally more expensive, why wouldn't you do something like this? I am so incredibly impressed with this machine, and I'm very excited about the possibilities that this machine has to offer when it comes to customizing my small business and providing a really great experience for my customers when it comes to branding and packaging. So that's why I'm kind of looking at this thinking, is this going to replace my HP LaserJet? It might.